हाय एवरीवन, वेलकम टू अनदर ट्यूटोरियल इन पाइथन। सो इस ट्यूटोरियल में हम लोग लिस्ट के बारे में डिस्कस करेंगे, विच इज़ ए वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक इन पाइथन। तो लेट्स स्टार्ट। सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, इफ यू सी हियर, व्हाट इज लिस्ट? सो लिस्ट इज like this is a data type in Python, so which is mutable. So we can change a list once we declare. If you remember, in our earlier tutorials we have already discussed about string. So string is immutable, we cannot change it, we update, or you cannot add or edit anything on string. But list may you can edit, actually you can update it. So okay, so that is the definition of mutable. Okay, so if you see here, I'm just giving one example. Let's say list 1 equals to, so list is represented in square brackets. If you are coming from any other programming background like Java, so you must be knowing about arrays. So list is like arrays, so in Python. So if I take some values like 1, 2, 3, 4, so this is one example of list. Okay, so this is a list. So if I print, if I run this, you see here this has printed 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so yeah, so now I will just do one thing, like let me take a few more examples of list. So list, this also like we can take string also in we can take strings. So if you see here inside this, so A, B, C, D are nothing but they are strings. Okay, because they are represented in double quotes, they're strings. Okay, so now we have also taken those like multiple strings, which is now they are considered as a list. Okay, so yeah, so like let me, if you like want a one line definition of a list. So a list are like ordered sequence of objects that can be of any types. So any types means, so here if you see in the first example, we have taken like list 1 in like 1, 2, 3, 4, that these are integers, and also in list 2 A, B, C, D, these are strings. Okay, so first we have taken integer, second we have taken string. Okay, and now if you see here, list 3, I will take one more example. So 1, 2, okay, now A comma true. True is boolean, right? If you have already gone through my earlier tutorials, so there I have extensively talked about booleans. So boolean means true or false, right? So this is also one example of list. So if I print here, so print list 3, okay, and run this. So see here, this is the list 1 I have printed, and this is the list 3. Okay, all of these list 1, list 2, and list 3, all of like these are all lists. So okay, so now like as you already know before, like we have already discussed, like strings are immutable, right? So once we declare a string, we cannot change it. Okay, so but unlike that, list is mutable. Okay, so we'll talk about that. Okay, how let's say how this is mutable, how list is mutable. Okay, so now if I take like one example, Myntra score cart. Okay, so this is, I'm taking just a variable, and I will specify I will take a list in it. These two, I have added these to my cart. Okay, if I run this now, see here, this has printed sunglasses, because like if you remember, we have already discussed this in the earlier tutorial of string, so indexing. So there if you see what we have taken, like we are just printing the first value of this list, so which is nothing but sunglasses. So this has printed sunglasses. Okay, so like this, if I print, what it will print, so you see here, this has printed the whole entire list. Why? Because we have already learned this in the earlier tutorial of string. So this is like start and stop. Start index, like first index, this is nothing but 0 to 1. If you do this, see here, this has printed again the similar things. So what this will do, like this will start at some point and this will stop at some point. So some point means index, so this will start at 0 and this will ends at the entire, printing the entire string, entire list. Okay, so that's why it has printed like sunglasses and jeans, that is the entire list. Okay, so yeah, so as I was telling, like list is mutable, and it also allows duplicate values. That means if I can declare a string as list, let's say list 5 equals to, which is completely fine, right? Because it can hold duplicate values also. So if you see here, I have taken apple 2 times and bananas also 2 times. So this again is acceptable in case of list. So if I run this, if I try to print this, print list 5, if I run, so now you see here, so this has printed the entire list with the duplicate values. Okay, so yeah, this is all about as I was telling, like list is very important topic in Python. So I may take 2-3 tutorials on this, particularly on this list. So yeah, so this is all about it. So I don't want to make a whole long tutorial for a single topic like list. So I will divide it into like 2-3 tutorials, so that it will be like short and simple, and it will be easy for you to understand as well. So thank you so much for staying with me till now, and take care. God bless you all. Thank you.